Hey, fifth grade, here are your chapters 5 and 6 vocabulary words for Bound for Oregon. Yoke, a wooden cross piece that is fastened over the necks of two animals and attached to the plow or cart that they are to pull. Here is a picture of a yoke. Oxen were usually attached using a yoke to pull a cart or plow. Your next word is gullies. A gully is a water-worn ravine. So this area right here is a gully. Miring, caused to become stuck in mud or covered in mud. Goaded, provoke or annoy to get a reaction from someone. Dejected, sad and depressed. Milled, to wander or move about in a small space. Those are your chapter 5 and 6 vocabulary words. The assignment for chapter 5 and 6 vocabulary this week is just matching the correct word to the definition. So you just delete the line and put the correct word there. All right, and then you turn it in when you're done.